Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is 2-bromopropane, a secondary alkyl bromide, CH3CHBrCH3, and the product is 2-propanol, CH3CH, or CH3. The OH ends up on the same carbon, C2, as the Br, so this is effectively a substitution of Br by OH at the secondary carbon. Moving on to the next step. The reaction requires reagent A first, then reagent B. We need to identify a pathway that converts 2-bromopropane to 2-propanol. Moving on to the next step. A is equal to NaNH2, B is equal to Hg, OAC, to H2O, NaBH4. NaNH2 is a strong base that induces E to elimination from 2-bromopropane to give propene, CH3CH is equal to CH2. This is Z7 elimination, producing the more substituted alkene, but since the molecule is symmetric, the only alkene possible is propene. Step 2. Oxymercuration. Demercuration of propene with Hg, OAC, to H2O followed by NaBH4 gives Markovnikov addition of water, placing OH on the more substituted, secondary, carbon, yielding to propanol. Net result, 2-bromopropane propene to propanol. This correctly gives the observed product. And for the final step. Option A. H3O+ does not react with an alkyl bromide to give an alcohol cleanly. H3O+ is not a suitable nucleophile base for this transformation. BH3THFH2O to NaOH on the starting alkyl bromide makes no sense as reagent B after H3O+. Option B. NaOH with 2-bromopropane, secondary substrate, would give either SN to substitution, directly forming 2-propanol, or E to elimination, giving propene. If NaOH directly gives 2-propanol via SN2, then no second step would be needed. However, with a secondary alkyl halide and NaOH, a mixture of substitution and elimination occurs, and B is equal to BH3THFH2O to NaOH, hydroboration oxidation, applied after NaOH treatment on the alkene would give the anti-Markovnikov alcohol, 1-propanol, not 2-propanol. So this does not give the correct product. Option C. HBr in ether adds HBr to an alkene, but the starting material is already an alkyl bromide, so this reagent would not facilitate conversion to an alcohol. NaNH2 causes E to elimination giving propene, then oxymercuration, Markovnikov addition, gives 2-propanol. This is the correct two-step sequence. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.